We're making shotgun shells. We have taken a pound of Italian sausage. Breakfast sausage is what we're using. 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 4 ounces of cream cheese. We mixed in 2 teaspoons of barbecue seasoning, and we're going to load it into our jerky gun. And then we're going to shoot it into these
manicotti shells.
And we're going to put them in the fridge for 4 hours. So here we go. We're stuffing this tube. We could have used a plastic bag and something, else to do it, but we've got this thing. We might as well use it for everything that we can and some.
This is so much fun.
Yeah. She said that like she means it.
Almost.
My brother said he was not smart enough to do this, which I challenged him to do it. He didn't say smart enough. He used different language, but in a nice way. But anyway, this is how we're doing it. Can't wait to see it done. Well, we're going to try this. We're supposed to fill it halfway and then turn it around and fill it the other side. We are shooting meat in the tube. It's 3/4 of the way through. All right.
This isn't like a pastry tube. It's a little bit more difficult to maneuver.
Well, is that good?
I believe that's good.
Okay, the next step is we're going to roll them from end to end in bacon. Make sure it's all covered up good. And then lay them into our
air fryer basket.
Yeah, air fryer basket. Duh. This is what they look like. Look at that. It looks wonderful. Going in for that bite. Oh man, definitely worth the wait. Absolutely, that's delicious. Okay, here is the recipe for our shotgun shells. Now you can cook these several different ways. Some people like the smoker, some people like the barbecue grill, but we just use the air fryer for ours. We hope that you try it and like it, because we sure did. If you do like this recipe, we'd like to hear from you. Leave a comment. Thanks for following along, and as always, God bless.